Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A06 and now you want to block ads on your device, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your phone settings and then scroll down and you will get Google settings. Here select it, then select all services, and here you will get your ads setting. You can even manage them. Just open ads, and here just select delete advertising ID, tap on it, then tap on it again. In this way you can easily delete your advertising ID. After that just go back and here the usage and diagnostics, tap on it, and here you must have to disable the setting. Just tap on it and it will be disabled just like this. In this way you can easily block ads from the device. But there's a second way you just have to try. Just go back, go for main settings, and here just look for security and privacy. Select it. From here just look for more privacy settings, and then you must have to disable these two settings which we have just disabled. Just open ads, and here this will delete advertising ID which we have just deleted. After that just go back and here the usage and diagnostic, just disable the settings. In this way you can easily block pop-up ads from your Samsung Galaxy A06. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.